We're going to stay upbeat.
Have we got a curfew?
Yeah, we have because Dad's here. Dad, what times do we have to go? Okay. This is a song called Faith and Fire. It's a really old song. It's from our first album, which we've got 6 albums now, which is loads. And
considering we're only 21.
yeah, we've been bringing out like an album every 6 months for the last few years. We've just lived a lot of life in 3 years. It's been a long old journey. We started off in 1971. About then. Feels like that. Okay, this is Faith and Fire. As soon as you've all practiced your clapping, you've warmed up the digits, and you're going to need them again for this one. How's the finger?
I was going to say, it's fine. I could talk about it, but no one's here for that. It went hot. Now it's gone numb.
Okay.
But overall, it's fine.
If you could describe it in 3 words. Or the situation in 3 words.
Awkward.
Okay, there's one.
Hot.
Awkward, hot.
Embarrassed.
That sounds like most days of our lives.
Now we're facing the menopause.
Awkward, hot and embarrassed. That's our future. He came along and started the fire. She turned her back on hope and desire. Now she stands alone and watches the water. He fights against the flame. Buildings burn, he turns his back on the world. John is the wreck and black is the sky as they dance on the mess that they made. Red is the ground where they lay. Goodbye this time. Goodbye this time. He'll know her hands have let him go. This time she'll know she never could be told. This time he'll know her hands have let him go. This time she'll know she never could be told. They dance in dark with faith, the sky will move. The grave is wet with tears.